Good evening, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Pleasantly crisp winter weather dominating Queensland this week with mostly clear skies, except of course in the wet tropics where clouds are always a little bit harder to shake off. For the moment we seem to have escaped the cold snap in Mackay with a balmy top of 23, but out west it got pretty chilly last night, just 3 degrees at Claremont. The satellite loop is pretty straightforward, as you can see. The wet tropics have got some clouds streaming across with a southeast wind. It hasn't been much in the way of rainfall, mostly Cassowary Coast and other exposed areas. The west of Queensland is basically dry. You can see a few showers forming offshore of the northern New South Wales coast in association with this big spiralling low that you can see way down in there at Tasman Sea. Now on today's chart, a high is dominating the country. It's sitting just over Adelaide. It's not a strong system, but it's very broad and it's projecting cool, dry southern air right up into the tropics. On tomorrow's chart, the high moves across Bass Strait. Not much different, but the ridge pushes a little bit further north. So now we have a slight increase in winds in the tropics. Now the latest from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Mackay waters, southeasterly winds, mostly 15 to 20 knots, but could reach 25 at times through the Whitsunday channel. Wednesday, 15 to 20, Thursday again 15 to 20. Full moon's getting closer by the day and tides are quickly rising. First up tomorrow, we've got high tide, a low tide in the afternoon and then a much larger high tide at night. Central Coast and Whitsunday is fine and sunny. Mackay 9 up to 22 degrees, Bowen 24 and Proserpine 23. Central Highlands and Coalfields, it'll be a sunny day after some frost on the Carnarvon Ranges. Emerald 6 up to 22 degrees, Claremont 2 tonight, 21 tomorrow, Moranbah 23. Looking ahead for Mackay, the next few days we'll see mostly sunny weather with temperatures slightly on the cool side of average, but clouds gathering this Thursday could bring a shower or two for Friday, Saturday. Someone's just asked me a corker of a question, which I'll try to answer in 20 seconds. What causes wind? In a nutshell, the sun causes all our wind and weather because it heats the earth unevenly, and wind is just air rushing around the globe trying to even out the temperature imbalances. The summer sea breeze is a great local example. The sun cooks the land until huge bubbles of hot air start to rise, leaving behind a void that's quickly filled by a cool rush of wind from the ocean. It's the uneven heating of land and sea that keeps the sea breeze blowing. That's the short answer, folks. Have a nice evening, and now it's back to the team.
You're wonderful, Liv. Good on you, mate. Thank you very much for your company, folks. Anything you'd like to catch up on again, our 7plus app or our page, 7news.com.au. We'll see you tomorrow night. Good night.